So for teachers, now you guys are going to have this massive world of people coming with these essays they didn't write. So hopefully there will be AIs that can detect. But teachers, this is going to completely change the game for you guys. It's going to save so much time um, for all the things you do. So ChatGPT for teachers. Here's what you could do. Paste in the student essay. Here's an essay over here. I just made it through GPT and I pasted it in. I said, grade this essay and find the best and worst points. So it actually analyzes this and it'll actually give you a fairly decent breakdown. So you could even do a more detailed breakdown. You say, hey, every single paragraph, write a more detailed grade. What's good, what's bad, where's the grammar, where could it be better? So you can actually analyze writing and you can either extract information or you can analyze and give an overall sort of grade of it. And this is a really great example. You can pause and read the two here if you want to compare on how it graded this essay here. But again, all in GPT, just paste this in. But before you do it, just say, hey, grade this essay, find the best and worst, and paste the essay right after, and it's going to do this result for you. The other thing you can do for teachers, part 2, make a quiz. If it can summarize information, if it can reorganize it, guess what? That means quizzes are basically gone now. Like it's going to do 90% of the work for you. So make a normal quiz. We have 3 options here based off that. What's solar energy? What's, etc. But I also said, hey, make a multiple choice quiz. And you can see that it did multiple choice, but the choices it gave are still context related. So oil, gas, sunlight, etc. So pretty cool. We can organize complex information, especially if it gets more complicated than this. So teachers are gonna really love this tool, I think, and get it in your workflow. You'll save lots of time.